How to reset Meta Smart Glasses Bluetooth. If your Meta Smart Glasses are having Bluetooth issues, resetting the connection is a quick way to fix it. Start by making sure your glasses are charged and powered on. Then go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, look for your Meta Smart Glasses in the list of pair devices, and tap Forget or Remove to clear the connection. After that, put your glasses into pairing mode by pressing and holding the capture button until the LED light begins pulsing white. Now, open the MetaView app on your phone, follow the setup instructions, and select your glasses to pair them again. Keep your phone close to the glasses and ensure Bluetooth is enabled during the process. If pairing doesn't work the first time, try restarting both your phone and your glasses before attempting again. In some cases, cleaning the charging contacts and making sure the glasses have a strong charge can also help. Once paired successfully, your glasses should reconnect automatically whenever Bluetooth is turned on, making them ready to use for calls, music, or capturing moments with ease. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.